కృష్ణారావు ఎండోమెంట్ ట్రస్ట్ 21వ వార్షికోత్సవ అవార్డుల ప్రధానోత్సవం 2021 జూలై 12న హైదరాబాద్లో ఘనంగా జరిగింది. విజయనగర్ కాలనీలోని వెటర్నరీ అసోసియేషన్ హాల్లో జరిగిన కార్యక్రమంలో క్షేత్రస్థాయిలో ఉత్తమ పశు వైద్యులు, పశు వైద్య విద్యార్థులు, పశుసంవర్ధక శాఖ అధికారులు, పౌల్ట్రీ మరియు సేంద్రియ పాడి రైతులకు పురస్కారాలు ప్రదానం చేశారు. కార్యక్రమంలో భారత ప్రభుత్వ పశుసంవర్ధక శాఖ కమిషనర్ డాక్టర్ ప్రవీణ్ మాలిక్, తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర పశుసంవర్ధక శాఖ డైరెక్టర్ డాక్టర్ వి లక్ష్మారెడ్డి, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర పశుసంవర్ధక శాఖ డైరెక్టర్ అమరేందర్ కుమార్, డాక్టర్ పిడి కొండలరావు, డాక్టర్ మంజువాణి తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు. అవార్డు విజేతలకు ముఖ్య అతిథుల చేతుల మీదుగా పురస్కారాలు, ప్రశంసా పత్రాలు అందించారు.
Namaskar. Honorable members of Board of Trustee of Dr. C. Krishna Rao Endowment Trust, the chairman of the trust, directors of both the states, both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh of animal husbandry, office bearers of different veterinary associations, veterinarians, farmers, livestock owners, students, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to talk to you on this auspicious occasion of celebration on the occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. C. Krishna Rao and the award ceremony for this particular trust. I am really feeling privileged and proud to be here amongst you, and frankly, it's not that what I am saying is just a kind of a formality or something. No, it's really a kind of unique and specific initiative from these two states together, that such a trust has been created, none other than by the veterinarians themselves. And I really compliment the veterinarians of both the states for this particular kind of initiative, because this is kind of feeling that is being created amongst the veterinarians, the budding veterinarians, the old veterinarians, the veterinarians, the farmers in the field and everybody. So all stakeholders coming together to work for this wonderful sector as such. So I really compliment the efforts of the complete trust. And as you know, the foundation of this trust, this was being laid down by none other than Dr. C. Krishna Rao, my predecessor at Delhi also. So I know him not from Andhra, I know him from India. So he is like my boss also. डॉक्टर साहब ने बताया कि हम 8.5% से ग्रो कर रहे हैं. Yes, definitely this is the only sector right now leaving behind the manufacturing sector, the services sector, जिनका ग्रोथ रेट 7.5 के बीच में चलता है, और हमारा ग्रोथ 8.5 के आसपास चल रहा है ओवर द लास्ट 10 years ऑलमोस्ट. अगर हम यही बात करते हैं कि एग्रीकल्चर एंड एलाइड सेक्टर में हमें एलाइड गिना जाता है, वी आर जस्ट मिक्सड इनटू द एलाइड सेक्टर. एग्रीकल्चर का ग्रोथ रेट इज लेस देन 2% नाउ. And you know, the contribution of this particular sector is going almost up to 1/3 of the total GDP. इस सेक्टर के इस तरह के इनिशिएटिव के लिए I really personally from my heart thank and compliment the complete trust, the veterinarians, the persons associated with the trust and the award ceremony. And I once again compliment and congratulate all the award winners and all the veterinarians associated with this particular award ceremony. Thank you very much, sir. Jai Hind.
Today we have gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of the illustrious veterinarian of the country, Dr. C. Krishna Rao Garu, whose contribution to animal husband and livestock sector is enormous. Livestock plays a vital role in socio-economic and cultural life of people. Rural farmers' economy depends on livestock, as the most of the livestock rearing is in the hands of small and marginal farmers living in the villages. It is our pride that India tops in the world with regard to bovine population, sir. You know that 30 crores plus we have the bovine population. Sheep population we have 200 plus millions, and the total livestock population 535 million, sir. Poultry we have in the country 851 million, sir. Telangana state has richest livestock resources in India and one of the most advanced state in animal husbandry activities is concerned, sir. As an integral part of Telangana agriculture economy, livestock and poultry plays many dimensional roles in providing livelihood support to the rural households in the Telangana state. 25 plus lakhs households having livestock, sir. Almost 1/4 of the families are having the livestock, sir. Telangana occupies tops in sheep population, sir, because the proactive measures taken by the Honorable Chief Minister and introducing this sheep rearing development program. So I thank the chief guest and the other Secure Trust executive members for all the way supporting for me. Thank you.
Now we are doing cultivation of fodder development and NRES perennial fodder in 25,000 acres during current year. I'm happy to announce that Government of AP have approved for renovation of all existing veterinary institutions with a project outlay of around 1,000 crores in over a period of 3 years. And by providing all equipment, including civil works and equipment to all veterinary institutions, including rural livestock units, and over a period of 3 years. These are the activities being taken up by the department under the able administration guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister. Thank you all for giving me this opportunity on this occasion. Thank you.
CK Endowment Trust is such a trust which regards all sectors, government, corporate, private, industry, university. So it is a combination of all these sectors where we all meet under one umbrella for the development of livestock farmers. We shoulder this responsibility as veterinarians or public, private or corporate to see that the poverty levels of livestock farmers is warded off, and any small activity, we frame policies here, but implementation is very, very important for which all veterinarians are responsible. I congratulate all the awardees and also all the donors also for the CK Endowment Trust, and we will move forward in the development of veterinary profession together. I really congratulate all the awardees, the scientists, academicians, and also different veterinarians, administrators for this. I thank one and all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, ఇతరులకు షేర్ చేయండి. వీడియోపై మీ అభిప్రాయాన్ని కామెంట్ రూపంలో తెలపండి. మరిన్ని వ్యవసాయ వీడియోల కోసం రైతు నేస్తం యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. పక్కనే ఉన్న గంట సింబల్ నొక్కి నోటిఫికేషన్స్ ద్వారా తాజా వీడియోల సమాచారం పొందండి.